All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about crypto being down everywhere. I mean, everywhere crypto is down, down, down. What's an investor to do? We're going to kind of go over why with the feds raising the rates and everything else. And then we're going to come with a solution of using BUSD and USDC, different crypto projects to maybe help you with your crypto. Because again, remember, USDC and BUSD is pegged to $1. So when crypto goes down, the BUSD still stays there. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. The goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So remember, I'm not a financial planner. All my information is for educational purposes only. We do this to document our journey in DeFi, and today the journey is bloody. I mean, the stocks are down, the crypto's down, everything is down, but BUSD and USDC is not. All right, let's head over to the market. All right, let's take a look at the coin market cap here. Bitcoin's down 9% today, 19% for the week. Ethereum's down 9% today, 19% for the week. BNB, I mean, just a few weeks ago was $404, is down 20% for the week, 13% for the day. XRP is down 11%. Solana is down 25% for the week. XRP is down 17% for the week. Cardano is down 18% for the week, 14% for the day. I mean, it goes on and on and on. I mean, look at, Polkadot's down 25%. Shiba Inu's down 26%, 19% for the day, 16% for the day. Why? It says, why is crypto down? Forbes Advisor. It says, on Monday, the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies tumbled to a new 2022 low as investors continue dumping the risk asset in response to the persistent high inflation and aggressive policy tightening by the Federal Reserve. Crypto losses. As of midday, Bitcoin prices were down 7.5% prior to the 24 hours. Bitcoin was trading at $32,000, the lowest since last July. Ethereum is down 7.7%, and it's around $23.30. With Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, prices were down by more than 12%. Bitcoin prices are now down 34% for the year to date and trading well off the all-time high of 69,000. Could you imagine being at 69,000? Well, what's half of 70? 35. It's at 32. It's if you were losing weight and you lost half your weight, you'd be very happy. But if you're an investor and you're buying Bitcoin and it's lost half its value, you're probably not too happy. The sell-off in stock market is also continuing on Monday with the S&P 500 down 2.5%. The Dow Jones average is down 1.4%. And the NASDAQ is down 3.8%. I mean, it goes on and on. Crypto is now strongly correlated with equities. Many crypto investors have argued that Bitcoin is the new version of gold for the digital era, a potential flight to safety investments that hedge against inflation. Remember, everybody was buying into that Bitcoin could hedge against inflation. Well, inflation is going up like this and Bitcoin is going down like this. I don't know what you guys all think about that, but things are going up, Bitcoin is going down. I'm just reporting the news. I'm sad too because a lot of my cryptos are down too. But the price action in cryptocurrency suggests the market doesn't seem to be a highly volatility assets and reliable store of value during the period of the economic uncertainty. Gold has now here's the thing about gold. Gold is actually up 3% for 2022. So you may want to look at gold. Basically a relation that has played out expectedly so far. While stock prices has fallen, the prices of gold are up 3% in 2022. The S&P 500 is down 16% for the year to date. The selling pressure in stock market has been driven primarily by the fears of the persistently high U.S. inflation and the potential for aggressive Fed measures to counter it. The consumer price index rose 8.5% from a year ago, and the highest U.S. inflation reading since 1981. So inflation is the highest since 1981. Hey, can we bring Trump back? I don't know. Earlier this month, the Feds raised interest rates by 50 BP to the new target range of about 75% to 1%. The Fed chairman Jerome Powell said additionally 50 BPS increases were on the table at the next two FOMC meetings. The Feds will begin allowing $30 billion in the Treasury and $17 billion in mortgage-backed securities to roll off the balance sheet starting in June. I don't know. Maybe we're ready for some stimulus checks. Maybe the government can give us some more stimulus. I mean, with everything, inflation going up and crypto's going down, what is an investor to do? Well, I'm not going to share all the bad news with you. I'm going to bring a solution. Now, remember, all my information is for educational purposes only. In crypto, there's some cryptocurrency coins that are stable coins that literally don't move up or down. They stay with the price of $1. BUSD and USDC are both some of these cryptocurrencies. I'm going to jump over to crop farmers. You know it by BUSD crop farmers, and I'm also going to show you USDC crop farmers. If you have all your crypto, I had 3 or 4 people ask me today, should they transfer all their crypto into stable coins? That's up to you. I mean, because if you did the stable coins right now and it went down, 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 that's a safe move. If you did if you converted all your crypto into stable coins and then all of a sudden, stocks go up and down, up and down. If you converted your stuff to stable coins right now and then it bounced up, you would actually lose the gains that it's going to do. So it's very, very tough decision. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. You have to do your own homework. But I do want to bring a little solution that's been working good for me over here at Frank's Crypto Corner. All right, the BUSD crop farmers, take a look. It's got $1.4 million in here. Just to share some of my stats here, I put $250, again, in investments. You have to do what you're comfortable with. I put $250 into this. I've compounded enough times that I have $1,500 of compounds. My returns, I've already sold my crops and received $245 back, which is basically $5 off. Down here, I have 13,734 farmers. So I have a lot of farmers, and I'm estimating I'm making $65 a day. Now, the crop farmers are a 6-1, but somebody on my sent me a text saying that technically crop farmers are a 5-2 because you compound for 10 times. I'll take a look at that. I've already got 9 compounds in. And in 2 hours and 16 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and compound for the 10th time. There's an 80% tax. Any of you that don't know the mechanics of this, go back and look. I'll actually link the BUSD and the USDC farmers at the end of the video so you can watch them more in depth. But the point of this is making $65 a day. I don't have to worry about the coin going down 30% next week because BUSD is pegged to $1. So next week, I'll still be making $65 a day. Now again, for 5 days I compound, and for 2 days I let my cart fill up, and then I actually pull the money back, which is fantastic. But one of my solutions, for educational purposes only, of course, is BUSD crop farmers. All right, my second one is the USDC crop farmers. It doesn't have 1.4 million. It's got $375,000 of USDC. Same thing over here. I put 500 in. I've actually already claimed $197. I've compounded this 6 times, so you got to get to 10 to get rid of the tax. But my point here is both of these are stable coins, so you don't have to worry about the coin dropping 15 or 30% in a week. Next week, the USDC will be pegged to $1. So literally, there's still going to be, I put $500 in this in USDC. I've claimed 197. And if that was in my wallet, I don't have to worry about it being it is in my wallet right here, $219. I don't have to, because I had a few dollars in there. I don't have to worry about this coin being cut in half and only have half my returns because the coin went down. So again, here at Frank's Crypto Corner, I'm just bringing some actual things that you can do with your idle crypto, or if you're tired of the bloody and the red in the grounds everywhere and the cryptos are just down, 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 your Bitcoin is down, your Dogecoin is down. In fact, every crypto on here is down. I mean, Tron is actually up 10%, but take a look at all the red, 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 red. We got more red. Oh, here's another coin. Waves is up 4.8%. That's okay. but a lot of reds here. Probably 95% of the coins in the top. It's actually more than 95% because I'd have to have 5 greens. So 97% of the coins are red. So again, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. Crypto is down everywhere. We know it. Nobody's happy about it. Stocks are down right now. Inflation is up. What is going on? So again, and I'm not a Democrat and I'm not a Republican. I kind of sit right in the middle. So when I said let's bring Donald Trump back, it's just the economy was doing so fantastic when Donald Trump was here. Now, I know I'm going to get some bashes on this, but again, that was just one of the, I actually saw, those Gecko commercials where they say you can actually save 30% or whatever. There was somebody who says, you want to get 30% back, bring Trump back. So I don't know, just kind of sharing that. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Click over here and learn about BUSD crop farmers. Click over here and learn about USDC crop farmers. It's still going to be exactly what it's worth next week. It's going to be exactly what it's worth in a month from now. I invested $250 and I invested $500. You have to do what's comfortable for you. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner, and we will see you a little bit later on.